Are you looking for a business loan to start or grow a business in the UK and beyond? Have you been refused a business loan by traditional banks? We want to hear from you. Rich Visions can work closely with you to secure low-interest funding and finance ranging from £2,000 to £100,000. We've assisted over 650 startups and existing businesses, securing up to £6 million worth of loans and funding. Some of you may be thinking, what about my poor credit? We work with alternative lenders who look at each client on a case-by-case basis, considering a wide variety of factors to get you approved. Contact our team today for a free consultation. We'll tell you within a few hours whether you can get a low-interest business loan. Visit our website at www.richvisionssb.co.uk or call us on 0203 633 0513.